and a red brick front. 12 acres breathing under morning sun. A white oak shade on a riverbend view. A slow life waiting when I get home to you. Slip off my boots, kick back slow. Let the whole world come and go. Easy living, room to breathe and room to swing. Easy living, honey, that's my kind of thing. Porch keys in my hand, soft wind through the pines. Easy living, and it feels just fine. There's a screened-in porch with a swing for two. Black coffee cooling by the summer view. A barn light glowing at the far fence line. You and me laughing like we got all the time. No rush here, no race to run. Just your bare feet and the setting